Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video on Technary.com. So is your smartphone slowing down? Is your smartphone hanging often and taking too much time for navigation and multitasking between apps? Well, here is a solution. Go to Play Store, search for One Booster. So this is an app. I have already installed it. So we'll open the app. I was fed up of the fact that my smartphone was slowing down and I found this solution and I'm sharing it with you. So there are a lot of features. You can see this UI. So there is clean option. So it cleans the junk in your smartphone. There is phone boost, battery saver, security, CPU cooler as well. So we'll show you each and every feature of how you can make your smartphone work faster. So we'll start with the phone boost. So this is a very important feature. So with one tap boost, you can easily clear RAM by speeding up your smartphone. So with just one click, you can boost your smartphone. So there are other features. We'll try each and every one of them. So next one which we will try is the CPU cooler. So CPU cooler is able to cool down your Android smartphone CPU temperature with just one click. So your CPU gets heated up when you do a lot of multitasking, and this feature will cool down your smartphone CPU. There is also a battery saver feature. So what it does is it is able to save battery life by hibernating unwanted running apps. So this saves your battery life. And the main feature is clean. So you can easily clean the junk, which are the app caches and junk files from your smartphone with just one click. So as you can see, within few seconds it's able to make your smartphone faster. And apart from all these features, there's also free antivirus. So this is like a bonus as it is able to block and remove viruses. Although I do not rely completely on this app for antivirus purpose, but it is trusted by TrustLook. So it seems nice and easy and quicker way to make your smartphone faster. And there's a lot of features in this toolkit. So there's battery information. So here you can see a lot of information about your battery, and you can also check out the charge history. So this feature I did like. So if you're overcharging your smartphone, you can check it out in this feature. So you can see all the details over here mentioned. So there's also power saving mode. You can do that. Although automatic cleaning and photos cleaner and also automatic virus scanning are paid features. So there's booster premium as well. So there's also a large files cleaner. There's also booster premium, which starts with around $1 to $2 per month as the subscription. If you take off 1 year, there's good discount as well. So I'm using this free version and that's really enough to boost your smartphone. There's also user manual in case you want more information of how to use this application. So this is a great way to make your smartphone work faster. If your phone is lagging, if your smartphone is slowing down, it's really important to clean all the cache files and the junk files. Many of us try to delete the files ourselves from the file manager, which is not advisable as this application will delete the unwanted files only, which is really great. So we are using the latest version. So you can also try this app and also let us know if your smartphone is now much faster than the previous stage. Do let us know your experience with this app and this solution in the comment section below. Let us know if you have any kind of queries. We'll be happy to help you out. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel and put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.